All right, so for this, once again, we will create a new virtual machine. We are going to call it Fedora 28. And this comes with a built-in graphical user interface. So we can mark it with the GUI. We will use another ISO, which is going to be Fedora 28. We will use 4 GB RAM. 2006. I have allotted 2 processors. And once again, we will give it 50 GB hard disk so that it is able to work properly. I'm going to click finish. And we're going to start the Fedora machine. Let us now click install to hard drive and then make sure that we select our language, etc. properly. Now here we are going to click on the installation destination. There we are going to go ahead and we are going to click on custom. In the custom, we will click done. At the manual partitioning, we will select standard partition and we will click to create them automatically. Then here at SDA3, we will change this to 35, update the setting, and then click on done. Accept changes, and then begin the installation. Now we will go back to the installation hard drive and we will remove the optical storage by going to the optical storage and then removing the attachment. Let us now start the machine to see the status. I'm going to switch off the location settings and the automatic problem reporting. I'm going to skip this step and put in my full name. So you can put in the full name that you wish. I'm going to put my full name as the instructor. I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to set the password. And now I'm going to start using Fedora. So this Fedora comes with a graphical user interface, and therefore you can go ahead and you can utilize it to create your own GUI and graphical user interface settings. All right. You can log in into the user ID that you have. And then you can go ahead and you can set the password for the root. So to do that, I'm going to just switch this one off. We are going to go ahead and we are going to go to TTY3 terminal or TTY terminal. I'm going to log in as instructor. Then I'm going to do password root, or maybe I can do sudo password root. Okay, I'm just sorry, root. Okay, and it will go ahead and it is requesting the password of the instructor. I will put in the new password of the root. Okay, and this will change my password for the root user. Okay, so this is going to change the password of the root user.